Together with my guests, in personal contact. As a chef, that's my preference. All my life, I've worked in big kitchens. Although I always make a round in the restaurant, the major feedback from my guests I receive indirectly from the waiters. TPB Tech makes it possible to include my guests in the whole dining experience in a fashionable way. With their unique concept of a worktop with invisible induction, they have created a surprising and safe way of cooking in front of my guests, directly on the worktop. Due to the elevation rings provided by TPB Tech, I'm able to use any pan or cookpot suitable for induction. And you can watch the cooking process from very close. The interaction with my guest makes it so much more personal. It's like you're part of it, cooking together with me in the kitchen. TPB Tech makes cooking personal.